ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Today what we are going to do? Today we are going to do a grammar. So grammar ಅಲ್ಲಿ one of the section we have chosen today. I have chosen the singular and plural. So how the singular and plural will change in Kannada? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So please watch this video very carefully. This has a complete section of a singular plural, how it has to be done, the singular and the plural. There are a variety of a plural that it differs because, for example, you have a book in English, you have a book and books where you have a s. In some places you add a es. In some place you add a ves, knife, knives, wolf, wolves. Like this, okay? So ಅದೇ ತರ in similar way ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ we have a variety of changes, variety of how to do with the plural, okay? So let's talk about more about the plural, singular and plural in Kannada. Before watching the singular and plural section, I request you all to watch the linga, that is a gender section, okay? So watch that and you can come back to this because I will be taking a connection from the gender portion here in singular and plural, okay? So let's start with the singular and plural in Kannada, which is called as vachanagalu. Vachanagalu, okay? So vachanadalli ಎರಡು ತರ ಇದೆ. We have a two. ಯಾವುದು? One is a ekavachana, that is a singular. Ekavachana is a singular, and the bahuvachana, that is a plural. And bahuvachana, that is a plural. Okay? So let's start with the very easiest one. So if you have watched the linga, the gender section, what is a gender in Kannada? We have three types of gender: masculine, feminine, and a neutral. Strilinga, pullinga, napumsakalinga. So whenever it comes to the napumsakalinga, so whenever I am forming a vachana, the plural form for napumsakalinga, I'll add a word called galu. So first, before that, you should know what is napumsakalinga. So to know that, please go back, watch the gender and come to this. Okay na? So yenu napumsakalinga? As we know that in the napumsakalinga, it's only the animal, birds, and the place name, things name, all these will come in the napumsakalinga. Okay, it's very easy to find out napumsakalinga in Kannada. Okay na? So napumsakalinga, I'll write first napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalingadalli how to make a plural is easy. Add galu. You might have seen this, you might have heard this. Nayi, nayigalu, mane, manegalu, bekku, bekkugalu. Okay, so I'll add galu. So ekavachana is a nayi. Nayi andre dog. Dogs is nayigalu. Betta is a mountain. Bettagalu. Mountains. Gida, plant. Gidagalu. Mara, tree. Maragalu. Okay, so idu in the napumsakalinga. When you come to the strilinga or the pullinga, if in case you have amma, amma andre mother, you cannot write amma as ammagalu, appagalu, which is completely wrong. Okay, so what is that I am going to add for that? So in that section I will be adding whether it is a strilinga or the pullinga. So again, linga nodidre you will be knowing what is strilinga, what is pullinga. For example, I'll take amma and appa. Okay, the word that I add here is andiru. ಏನು add ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? So this is the one and this is the one more. Andiru. So the amma will become ammandiru. The will join here itself. So no need to write amma andiru. It's ammandiru. Then what is the appa? Appandiru. Perfect. It is a appandiru. Okay, so this is the same for amma, appa, akka, anna, tamma. Everywhere you add andiru. Only if in case the word ends with a e or a. The word ends with a e or a. For example, ajji. If the word ends with the e. The word sound ends with the e. Then you will add ajji yandiru. This is the special letter that I'll add. Ya. Ajji yandiru. For example, it's atte. It ends with the sound ends with the a. Then you will write atte yandiru. Artha aita? Yes. So this is very important. Tumbane important idu. How you are going to do the singular and plural is a very important. Napumsakalinga, anything. Books, kidki, baglu, door, window, chair, slipper, kurchi, table, chair, pen, pencil, eraser, mobile, laptop, TV. Anything you take, you will add galu. Easy? Yes. Napumsakalinga vandre, add galu. If in case strilinga, pullinga dalli, you have amma, appa. The sound end with a. Amma, appa, akka, anna, tamma, tata. If any of these will come, you will add andiru. Basically, zero, di, ru. You will add. Will become silent. It will be hidden in the letter word itself. So basically, you will be adding this much. Andiru. If in case the word ends with the pronunciation of a e or a, then you will add a yandiru. You will be adding yandiru. Understood? You will be adding yandiru. Artha aita? That's it. Next, going forward, if you have understood this, make a note of this quickly. Pause the video and make a note of this completely in your book. It's very important you make a note of it. I'll be also giving example at the end of the video. Now examples niಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ at the end of the video. Okay? So this is all about the strilinga, pullinga, the small variation. We have a still more left out. So galu, andiru, yandiru. Three variations. Three variation, remember? Galu, andiru, yandiru. Artha aita? So we'll go for the next one. So next one in barutte. In the next one, I'll be adding aru. For example, huduga. Huduga. It is hudugaru. If you observe, the adding is only the ru, but actually we'll tell aru, but the adding is a ru. Artha aita? Huduga, hudugaru, balaka, balakaru, sainika, sainikaru, shikshaka, shikshakaru. Okay? You could have asked me, you can ask me, ma'am, why it is so? This also ends with the a. Why can't you add andiru like a previous one? Like appa, appandiru. Why can't we add huduga, hudugandiru? Atra baralla. Okay? It's a common name alli huduga. It's a group alli tondaga yenagate. We have to add aru. There are some restrictions barutte. Let me not go dig into the deep. I won't dig very deep because the video will be watched by many category of students. First standard avaru nodbeku, 10th avaru nodbeku. So I won't dig into more informations. Just remember, this is like this. I won't go into depth of the thing. If you want a more clarification, you can send a mail to me for asking a clarification. I'll reply to you over the mail. Okay? So huduga, hudugaru, balaka, balakaru, shikshaka, shikshakaru. The more example I'll give you at the end of the video. If the same thing that ends with a hudugi, what if it ends with a e? Wherever it ends with a e, it's very simple. You have to add ya. So before ru, you will add ya. So that is hudugiyaru. Understood? So what is that adding term here is yaru. Hudugiyaru, balakiyaru, shikshakiyaru. all end with yaru. Okay, so galu, andiru, yandiru, aru, yaru. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರುಟೀನ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಗು. ಮಗು ಈಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಬೇಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. And nanu is I am. What is the I? Opposite of the I. That means plural. I and the we. So navu. Neenu is a you. Neevu. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮಗೆ. It's ನನಗೆ. Which is a singular. This is a singular. This is a plural. ನಿಮಗೆ and ನಿನಗೆ. ನನ್ನ, ನಮ್ಮ. ನಿನ್ನ, ನಿಮ್ಮ. ಅವನು or ಅವಳು will become ಅವರು. And also ಅದು will become avu. Idu will become, can you tell? Ivu. Similarly, chikkadu will become chikkavu. Doddadu will become, yes, doddavu. Fine. So these are the few things that I wanted to share with you, which are very basic in the vachana. Ekavachana, bahuvachana, singular, plural. These are the very basic thing that you have to know. Okay, we can go still more further digging into the subject, but let me stop here itself. I hope you have understood this. So let me just do a quick recap. We have before telling all these things, again I request you, go back to the linga and read that carefully. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಚನಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವಿಧ, ಏಕವಚನ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಹುವಚನ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇವಾಗ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವಿಧ, ಏಕವಚನ, ಬಹುವಚನ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ವಿಧ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ವಿ ವೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವಿಧ. ಏಕವಚನ ಒಂದು, ಬಹುವಚನ ಮೆನಿ, ಮೋರ್, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಹಲವು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಹು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಗಿರೋದು. So we had a 3 1. First ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ, will add ಗಳು at the end. Next we have done ಅಂದಿರು, where we add ಅಂದಿರು. In the next, where the word ends with a e or a will add a yandiru. Next again, where the word ends with the a will add a aru. Where the word ends with the e will add a yaru. And next is a special ones which is completely different, these ones. Okay, I hope you have understood. I have done completely in English so that it can reach many of the students who doesn't know English who doesn't know Kannada as their basics. Okay na? So share ಮಾಡಿ with your friends. I hope this is being very helpful for you. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. At the end of the video you have exercise. Please complete all the exercises and keep it ready for the next class. Okay na? In the next class I'll be going with one more grammar section. ಯಾವ್ದು grammar ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ I'll announce very soon. Okay, so now the linga is done and the vachanagalu is done. Next we'll go for one more thing very soon. Okay na? So thank you so much. Like the video, share ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. As I always tell you, sharing knowledge is for a very good cause. Sharing knowledge is always very good also. Okay? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ for ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ YouTube channel. Not only the lesson, I will be also covering the grammars and everything essential that you need for the Kannada learning. Okay, so thank you so much once again. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, or write a mail to yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.